Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video we are gonna solve this question, that is the improper integral, and the limits are given from x is equal to 6 to x is equal to infinite, and the function is given as 1 divided by x square minus 7x plus 10. So first of all we will write this function. So suppose this is fx. So fx we can write as x square minus 7x plus 10. And since the power of numerator is 0 and power of denominator is 2, if power of numerator is less than power of denominator, then we will use the partial fraction method. So we will try to factorize this polynomial because this is a quadratic equation. So we can write this as x minus 5 and x minus 2. Now by using partial fraction, we will write this as x square minus 7x plus 10 is equal to a divided by x minus 5 plus b divided by x minus 2. So if we will solve this, so there will be LCM x minus 5 and x minus 2. So if we will divide this x minus 5 to this LCM, so it will become x minus 2, and if we will multiply this by a, it will become ax minus 2a plus this will become bx minus 5b. And on the left hand side we will write the same x square minus 7x plus 10. So this will be cancelled out by this, and if we will equate this, so this can be written as a plus b multiplied by x plus minus 2a minus 5b is equal to 1. So 1 we can write as 0 multiplied by x plus 1. So the coefficient of x here is a plus b, and here it will be 0. So from here we can write that a is equal to minus b, and for the second equation it will be minus 2a minus 5b is equal to 1. So if we will put a is equal to minus b in this equation, it will become 2b minus 5b. So b value will be minus 1 by 3 and a value will be 1 by 3. So I hope you got till here. So if we will just put the value of a is equal to 1 by 3 and b is equal to minus 1 by 3 in this equation, so it should satisfy. So we can try it here. So it will become minus 2 by 3, it will become 5 by 3. So this quantity is 1. So now the partial fraction can be written as this 1 divided by x square minus 7x plus 10. This can be written as the value of a is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 times x minus 5, and here value of b is minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 times of x minus 2. So if we will integrate this both sides with respect to x, so here it will be dx and here it will be dx. So we know that the integration of this is 1 by 3 ln mod of x minus 5, and here it will be 1 by 3 ln mod of x minus 2. So if we will take ln 1 by 3 common, so it will become ln mod x minus 5 minus ln mod x minus 2. So we know that since the property of ln a minus ln b, so it will become ln of a divided by b. So if we will use this property, we can write this statement as 1 by 3 ln mod x minus 5 divided by x minus 2 plus c, because c is a constant of integration. And now since this is a definite integral, the limits are from 6 to infinite. So if we will put first x is equal to infinite, so we have to solve the limit for this. So limit x tending to infinite x minus 5. So if we will take x common, so it will become 1 minus 5 by x, and same in the denominator, x 1 minus 2 divided by x. So we know that if we will put x is equal to infinity, so this x will be cancelled by this, and these both terms will approach to, this will become 0, this will become 0, because 5 upon infinity is also 0, 2 upon infinity, and it will become 1 by 1 mode. So it will basically become, here is ln, it will become ln 1. So ln 1 value will be 0. And now if we will put limit x tending to 6, so what it will become? It will become limit x tending to 6. Here is this is the upper limit, and this is the lower limit, and this will become ln mod of 6 minus 5 divided by 6 minus 2. So what it will become? It will become 1 divided by 4. So it will become ln 1 by 4. So final answer will be upper limit minus lower limit. So it will become minus 1 divided by 3 ln 1 by 4. So this is the final answer of this question. We have solved this question by partial fraction method. You can also try other methods like long division, but this is the most suitable method to be solved in exam. And here is the partial fraction. This is the most important steps. We have to take care of the constant, that is a and b. We have to find out the exact correct value of these constants. And if you would like this video, please share it with your friends, and please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for being with me. Have a nice day.